Hi guys. So we just arrived here in Dumaguete Airport. It's 6:20 p.m. So bukas doon tayo magsa-start ng charity camp natin with Alex Stockton. So tara, join me as we enjoy Dumaguete. Hello, we're here.
Okay, we're almost there.
Oh, di ba? Yung bossing natin, Alex Stockton.
Yes sir, let's go. What's up guys?
What's up?
Sorry guys.
Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name? Jaden. Mamaya, meron tayong charity camp, of course, with Alex Stockton. So ngayon, andito tayo sa Descana. We will be staying here for the rest of the trip. Ito yung mga camp shirt natin for the charity camp. Ano yung DYBP, bro?
DYBP stands for Darwin Youth Basketball Program.
Dawid Youth Basketball Program.
For the youth here in Darwin. Shout out to our sponsors, guys.
Nagbayad kami. Pero for sure.
Hey, come here.
Jalen, say hi! Saan tayo papunta?
We're gonna go swimming now sa District 1.
Okay, let's go. Good. Hey, what's up? Hey.
Morning. Anthony, Richard. Morning.
Hi, Kuya.
Good morning.
Morning.
Ha? Dili ba?
So, we will grab some lunch here at Delhi. So, tara.
Thank the sponsors, and then we'll get right into it. I'll have you take the floor, and then introduce yourself, how you started, this and that, and then I'm just gonna straight right.
Oh,
right
sige.
to the point.
Uy, buko juice.
I have some pizza.
Is it delicious?
Yeah.
What else did you have?
Bugu juice.
Oh.
And I have some lemonade with soy milk.
What is your full name?
Jalen.
Jalen?
Jay Stockton.
Yeah. What's up, guys?
So guys,
Pamo lang muna. Between split. Go. Okay, ano ulit tawag natin to? So, ito yung mga giveaways, of course, from Under Armour. Merong mga giveaways na contest na gagawin sila Alec mamaya. So, thank you.
Shout out Under Armour.
Qualify ni Agi sa atong tryout at mga hinabo. Aside all our campers, kamalumang mga PYBP give back, nagsumot kayo.
Hello everyone, maayong gabi sa atong tanan. Maayong gabi. I'm very excited na nahitabo na po ni amo ang on behalf of DYBP amo ang second give back kay tungod sa ako ang pagdako ang Dawin is known for basketball. So ako gadako ko tanaw ko nila some of our staff sila Papa Eagle. They were really competitive sa basketball. So Dawin, we are a basketball town. So that is something na karon we are not as competitive as before, and kabalo ko na one of these kids kaya ninyo. You guys can make it. Just put in the hard work, discipline, listen sa inyong parents. Kay dili man pud mo ipa-adto sa makakasama sa inyo sa inyong parents. So thank you so much, guys, especially to our sponsors, to everyone na nag-anhi dere to support this cause, and good luck sa ato ang mga campers dere, and I hope and I wish you all the best na maka-pursue nyo sa inyong journey. Thank you so much.
Itatap nyo lang yung cone, small boys. 1, 2, 1, 2, drop. 1, 2, drop. That's for the small boys. With your left hand. Pagka-snatch nyo, ibababa nyo lang siya. Notice, natin kailangan ng rip cone. It forces your shoulders to go low. Bababa yung shoulders nyo kahit hindi ko sabihin sa inyo. Kapag ginawa nyo yun, game-like na yung magiging stance nyo. So, Coach Richard, give me 5 reps. 1, 2, drop, snatch. Go. Go. Last one. There you go. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on, boys, clap your hands, ready, 5, 4. Come on, iwan mo, ibilin, yan. Huwag kang magalit sa phone, come on. Yan, last 3, last 2. O kamali kayo, that is good. Because you are trying. Kapag ka ginagawa nyo lang yun, relax. Pwedeng hindi kayo magkamali. Okay? Kapag walang pressure yung ginagawa nyo, walang mangyayari. Huwag kayong matakot sa pressure. Embrace it. Okay? Ready, do it. 5 straight. Kaya. Ngayon, ikaw, kailangan may believe ka sa sarili mo na magagawa mo yun. Do you believe? Masaya ka ba?
Yes, coach! Yes, coach!
Ginawa na ni Kuya Alec yung part niya. Got it?
On behalf of Dawin Youth
Ginawa
Basketball
na
Program, we
ni
would like to
DYBP yung part niya na in-invite. So, anong masasabi mo sa second DYBP
We've grown so much. Sobrang grateful. I feel so very, very, very blessed being able to be a blessing dito sa mga batang ito. Just special thanks kay Coach Nicolo and the rest of the sponsors for bringing this into fruition. Thank you. That's a wrap for Dumaguete trip. See you guys.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Peace out, guys.
Bye, guys. Be fine.
So that's it for our Dumaguete trip. Again, thank you to DYBP and thank you bro Alex Stockton and family for accommodating us. See you guys soon.